The biggest story that we are tracking for you at this hour, weeks after Pakistan-occupied Kashmir was rocked by a violent unrest, another wave of protest has now gripped the region, and this time being led by the Gen Z, mostly students, over educational reforms. However, what began as a peaceful demonstration against rising fees and evaluation process has actually snowballed into protests against the Shehbaz Sharif government, exposing the deepening discontent among Gen Z in the restive region. The protest began at one of the top universities in Muzaffarabad over rising fee and a demand for better facilities. As the agitation gained momentum, the administration immediately banned political activities in the university. So the protests began at one of the top universities in Muzaffarabad over rising fee, demand for better facilities. However, the agitation gained momentum and it began as a peaceful demonstration but snowballed against protests against the Shehbaz Sharif-led government, which exposes the discontent among Gen Z in this restive region. So Pakistan-occupied Kashmir witnessing another round of protests. So though it started with the peaceful protest, but report descended into chaos. Gursimran, my colleague, is now joining us on the phone line for more details. Gursimran, what details you have about this another violent protest happening in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir?
Earlier we have seen that there were discrepancies in the systems, and now it is in the education system that the protests are taking place. So the students, those who were thousands in number, they revolted against the government of the Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, as well as the federal government that is there in Islamabad, led by Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz. And they have said that there has been the complete atrocities and discrepancies that are there in the system, that the government has time and again they have ignored the same. And now the students that were thousands and thousands in numbers, they have gone onto the streets, and we have seen that how the force was used against these students by the Pakistani federal government, as well as the government of Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the government that is almost on the verge of getting collapsed because they are short of numbers, but their atrocities are not coming to an end. They are saying that what is happening, that they are being committed atrocities upon whenever they raise voice against any of the misdeeds of the government at the provincial as well as federal level. So these protests that are mostly being done by the youth that are in schools and in the colleges and the university, they said that they were carrying out a peaceful demonstration against the education system discrepancies, as the fee infrastructure as well as the evaluation practices, they all are being done in such a manner that it is to mint money from them. It is not for the welfare of the youth, but it is only become a money minting machine for the authorities. And they took out peaceful protest, but then government resorted to lathi charge and even firing shells at them, that led the situation to become violent. We have seen this happening in the past as well, and once again similar turn has taken event.